Hello everyone, this is Freco here and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to generate 80s dark fantasy AI art. On the screen, as you guys can see, these are some arts that I generated from Midjourney. So today, I will share with you the trick to generate AI art with Midjourney. So first, let's open Midjourney. As you guys can see, I am on Midjourney right now. Click and type imagine. Then just simply paste this prompt right here. You see this prompt? Just simply paste it. Now do not worry, I will give you this prompt in the description down below. Please do not skip the video and watch the full video or you won't have the full knowledge. After pasting the prompt, come right between here. Then let's say I want to generate 80s dark fantasy image of Darth Vader. Now, as we all know that Darth Vader is actually a very popular character. I can do one thing, that is I can simply type the name Darth, then Vader. Then I can press enter. Then Midjourney will create a 80s dark fantasy art of Darth Vader. And here is the art that Midjourney created of Darth Vader. These are the images. I can show you another way to generate art and which will be much better than this. So first search on Google Darth Vader, then click here on images, then select any picture you want. For example, I like this one right here. This one is actually very good. I'm gonna right click, then click here, open image in new tab. Simply come here, right click, copy image address. Open Midjourney, use the same prompt, then come right between here, comma, paste the image link, then simply type holding a lightsaber, red lightsaber, then enter. Then Midjourney will create another AI art. Now this time what we have done is we have given the AI much more information. Now the AI knows which type of art it needs to create. It needs to create something like this. So we just have to wait and let's see what the AI is going to create. There guys, here you can see the AI has created fantastic 80s dark fantasy art of Darth Vader and it's looking amazing. Just look at the details over here guys. Take a look at here guys. Oh my god, it's looking amazing. So this is how you can create 80s dark fantasy art, and do not worry, I will give you the prompt link in the description. Thank you for watching. If you want more AI related videos, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Peace out.